tickle. It won't open, look. Ian, it won't tickle.
Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're playing Kurplunk, Handcuffed, because that seems like a marvellous idea. To decide who's going first, we'll play rock, paper, scissors.
Well, this is not like gonna work very well. I'm gonna have to use a hand, because otherwise it looks like I'm just... Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That was me.
Okay, so
Are we?
I'm not bothered with the. You sure that's the way you want your hands?
That's the way I'm gonna have to have my hands.
Okay. There you go. Move number 1.
Oh. Kurplunk doesn't work with we're gonna have to hold like the
You did get one out though, so and nothing fell out.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Unlock me.
Don't know.
You're gonna have to. Oh. Like. Oh, I just locked. Ugh. I can just do that. Shut up. Yes, my brain's not functioning this morning.
It's this afternoon now.
That's even worse. Okay. Okay. I can't even see what I'm doing. Where's the lock?
I know it'll speed this up a bit.
What?
I'll speed this up a bit as if we use 2 cuffs. We'll cuff you and these, and every time you'll
uncuff one and then yeah, cool. Okay.
Oh, not that! I'm just joking.
I was like, what am I doing? Right, you need to cuff one of mine first before you cuff yourself. Would work out, you know. Right. So we probably should uncuff the bad hand, not the bad hand. Where's the keys for this one?
Huh?
Does the keys work for that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, these ones are worse. That one.
Oh, that was close.
We do need to remember. No, don't handcuff yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Yet. You need to
They've done these the wrong way. Right, this is going to be fun because I've done them upside down. How do you unlock these ones? Like, how do you unlock these ones? Where's the hole? Oh, there's the hole. I think. There we go.
What'd you just do with the keys?
I think they're still in the back of... Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Well, that's your turn.
What? I need you to hold the thing. I need to poke my eye out. Sleepy cough constantly.
This is easier than Jenga.
It's very much easier than Jenga. But except for when you listen when I'm saying, uncuff the bad hand.
No.
Well, I wish you would, it hurts.
Oh.
No, there was two!
I was feeling brave.
That's cheating! Why are you such a cheat?
That's not cheating.
That is cheating because you only have to take one out at a time.
I know, but that was me taking a risk.
But then you've just made it even riskier for me.
I know.
That's cheating!
But you still only have to pull one.
But that's cheating! Little bugger! One. Take my cup off. Take off the bad hand this time, please. What are you doing?
I'm cuffing you. Or I would be if that was actually a keyhole. Well, don't walk away yet.
Oh, yeah. No, you've got to pick the one you picked your hand on. Bad risk. How many is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. Dun, 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 dun. That's what you get for cheating.
It's not cheating.
It's cheating. Wait, I need you to move the thing so I don't know how to get you out of these.
You put the key in the keyhole and then you turn it.
Well, I have, but it's not moving.
This is filling me with confidence.
You should. I'm keeping an eye on it constantly because I don't trust you anymore. What, you move away. No, move.
You dropped 2.
Didn't even take any out.
You dropped 2.
I'm not pulling one out. Don't take the cuffs off. You pulled it out first. You cheated. Keep taking it off the wrong wrist. Right there.
Oh, no, you've just brought your 2 into mine.
Fine. Oh, look. Oh, and he got the lock as well. Mr. Deadlock's got the lock. That means he gets 5 extra marbles.
That went well. So I won that one.
No, you did not.
Oh, I think I won that one.
I definitely don't think you won that one.
I'm pretty
no,
sure I won.
I'm pretty sure you didn't win.
I'm pretty sure I won.
Pretty sure you didn't, and now you're locked in a pair of cuffs that you can't get out of because they're rigid cuffs.
Actually, the problem's not so much that the rigid cuffs, it's the fact that the
Yeah,
freeway
but
is pointing up.
Bye.
Can I have some help, please?
No, look at the mess you've made all over the floor.
Can I have some help, please?
Well, I need you to turn around then, you turnip. I can't get this one open.
Then do the other one.
That's what you get for cheating. I can't get this one open either.
Are you turning the right way?
No, I don't know. There we go. Mr. Mr. Deadlocks is a loser, a really, really sore loser. If you haven't seen, look at the mess he's made. Because I did not flip the game. That was Mr. Deadlocks. So yeah.
I don't know why you have an obsession with picking the camera up and then making a very wobbly screen.
Oh, shut your
Make
whinging.
everyone seasick.
Make you seasick in a minute.
Yeah, make me sick, but not seasick.
Oh, you're awful.
You're welcome.
Anyway. What are you going to say then?
That was a farce. But it's all from us. See you next time.